this is going to measure the full initial wave without any attenuation, and this will have some attenuation because it's basically a volume slider. So channel 1, which is right here, is the full waveform. The full waveform is between here and here.
This might
So
be
it's
an
this
issue
signal,
with this oscilloscope, because I've been having...
which is the channel 2. This is the
Yeah,
attenuated
okay.
signal,
This is
which goes from here to here. This is channel 2, and that from here to ground. As we turn this,
Are we getting an inverted signal?
once we put it to dual, you can see both waveforms. I will turn this. This larger one is the original, so it's from here to here.
Don't use this.
This small
There's
one
something going on here.
is from here to here, so it's channel 2. So as we vary it, we go between the original and 0. We are of course triggering via channel 1, so it stays always the same. And there you go.